Hey everyone, today I'd like to share an idea for keychains. I just recently started making keychains with mini pendants. They've been in demand, and they look delicate and lightweight, and most importantly, they're handmade. For these kinds of keychains, I use UV resin. I also made a mold in the shape of a paw. I'll be making the pads white. I dilute white dye in UV resin and carefully apply it. We put it in the lamp to dry for 120 seconds. I dry it twice for 60 seconds. Don't forget to dry both sides. I recently received some mica from a marketplace. I've never used it before, but now I have the chance. You can mix it with resin, or just add it directly. The material is generally pliable, doesn't float, and doesn't create bubbles. In short, it's easy to work with. I'll be using two colors, blue and light blue. Dry for 120 seconds, as we pour the resin in stages to ensure uniform drying. Add resin and dry for another 120 seconds. I forgot to say that in the second layer we add blue mica. While my paw is drying on both sides, I took out the molds with mini pendants. Today we'll be pouring a bow and a star onto our paw. We'll also be adding white dye. I'll add blue mica to the bow and blue to the star. As it turned out after shooting, the molds are hard to see on the light background. I apologize, I'll definitely fix that next time. By the way, I'll soon share with you how to use decorative varnish on keychains with different designs. I've removed the molds from the holders. Now I need to drill a hole in the tab. As usual with keychains, I use a screw pin. It holds very securely and the item will last longer. I sometimes solder the rings, but not always. It all depends on their quality. I attach mini pendants to a chain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support. I would also be grateful for any help with materials, and the link is in the video description. Bye everyone.